guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm saying good afternoon, not good morning, because I really wasn't feeling myself this morning. Actually, I wasn't feeling myself for a good few days now. And I know like I wanted to do a vlog for you guys, but I was just trying to pull myself a little together. And yeah, this morning I was feeling like worse. And surprisingly, after lunch, I started to feel a bit better. I have some errands again to do today, and I just don't know why I was feeling like not myself. I was in a mood, and as much as I was trying to pull myself out, it's just you naturally come out of it on your own, right? I also dried my rose that Coach gave me for Valentine. Yeah, because I don't want it to waste. Like, tell me if this is weird, right? I love flowers so much, but I don't like, and I want to be careful how I say this, right? I love flowers so much to the point where I don't think I want to kill it in order to make, again, let me scratch that. I love flowers so much that I prefer to see it living than dead in a bunch. But at the same point in time, I love getting flowers too. But yet still, I just find like it's a waste of money. And again, I have to be careful how I say that, because at the same point in time, I love to receive flowers. But still, I feel like it's a waste of money. I don't know if they could get what it is I say. Like, how about a rose plant? Or a flower plant? I'm into like flowers right now. I'm into like plants right now. So I would probably appreciate a living plant or a living flower plant over like a bunch of flowers that has been picked and I know gonna dry out and die out in like 2-3 days time. But yet still, if I have somebody, I would vex if he don't buy me flowers. So again, don't take it the wrong way. A little rose and thing now and then, I have no problem with that. But for me, I find like Valentine's is like a big pappy show now. Alrighty, so my face is finished. I just look like a real pack on makeup. Moisturizer, eyeliner, lipstick. I didn't do my brows today. So yes, as I was saying about Valentine's, now guys and girls, don't get me wrong, it's just, this is my opinion. I find like Valentine's now is no longer, well, let's stick to what Valentine's really supposed to be, and I guess it's, what is Valentine's really? But I would think Valentine's is love, right? You know, your love for your significant other. I don't know. But anyways, now it's all about who gets the bigger bunch, the bigger bouquet of flowers, who gets the more expensive chocolates, who gets the more expensive or the bigger teddy, although I was never a fan of teddies and stuff. But now it's just like a show thing, especially at the office, especially amongst sometimes friends. You know, it's just like, and I find like it is so unfair. Like, this puts so much pressure on the guys, because nobody really no, I mean, to my knowledge, you will correct me, but as far as I know, Valentine's is more like a girl thing. So we don't really put in that extra effort to get something just as nice for our guys as well. Most of the times it's just more like, it's not, don't bash me, this is just my opinion. I just find like it's not fair to the guys. Guys, it's not fair to you all, you know, that amount of pressure that you all are put under. I remember when I was working in Arima, I went to Extra Foods because it was one of the security's birthday on February 14th as well. So I always go to get him like a cupcake or something. So I was there in the grocery, and I was seeing all these guys in the chocolate aisle, and they were just like pulling the chocolates and comparing a good few guys, and you know, I just feel sorry for them. I was just like, wow, you know, why do we put so much pressure on you all to get us something expensive? To prove what? To prove, you know? Anyways, that's just my opinion. Again, I am not saying I don't want flowers, I don't want roses. I just, you don't have to be extravagant, you know? I would feel sorry if I get like a bouquet of roses, like, oh, these things gonna die and you just lose $500, you know? I apologize for that long run that I went on. I don't know if I lose you guys. Are you all still here? If you all are still here, thank you so much for continuing watching. I just had to say my opinion. You know, I like to talk and I love to talk. I'll be honest, I love to talk and I love to give my opinion on things, and I stand firmly and I stand strongly still by that whole Valentine thing. Time to get my specs on. My specs a little dirty. I also want to show all you a fun thing that I do with my tuna. I'll have that for dinner, so I'm gonna show you what it is. It was just like it was a mistake, like an experiment. I wouldn't say a mistake, it was like experimenting, and I came up with something real nice that I am excited to show you guys. So I'm looking for a big glass measuring cup. It doesn't even have to be a measuring cup, but something to like pour from, you know, so it has to have a little pourer, but it has to be glass and it has to be big. So I just stopped off by this place called Timor here in Caroni. Yes, first time I stopped in here, and it's kind of big though. They have a wide variety of stuff. I'm hoping to find my glass. In the kitchen section, everything is plastic. Some bamboo sticks. Oh, they know I'm going through my cleansing energy phase, so I'm in the right section here. So get some incense, $5.95. I usually like cinnamon and sage. So funny how they have incense for all kinds of things. Calling money is fortune, your seed, fortune. Calling money. What else? There's one. Oh, called dollar. This one. Crassalux. And inside the car smells so nice. Who still uses this? Come on, be real. This is like one of the best ever, and this scent is my personal favorite. Thank you so much for smelling up my car. Very nice. I look at my glasses. Okay, so plan B for my glass mug. For my glass measuring cup. You don't have it. I swear you don't have it. It's so big and nice inside here. I am stuck in traffic. Yeah, it is rush hour traffic, home time, and I'm just not sure if I'm gonna go to the grocery anymore. I don't know. We playing it by ear, but if it's one thing I don't like, it's traffic. Unless I'm not driving and I have some very nice company in the car. Police is coming. Damn, I'm holding my camera because I am not driving, okay? I am stuck in traffic. Something I was gonna tell Elaine when I forget. I can't remember. Oh yes, I was gonna let you all know, take a look around. It is just me in here, so don't fret. I am allowed to drive without my mask on. That's what I was gonna tell you. I just forget real fast, and I'm gonna tell you something. No amount of ginkgo you take will help, because I tried every single brand. Nothing works. Your girl still just forget. Okay, traffic moving now, so I have to go. And now season this with some, you will see I have my Caribbean spread, some salt, black pepper, and some chili powder. I usually add paprika as well, but I don't have any. So mix this. And now to that I am going to add 1 cup of oat flour. 1 cup of oat flour. I made this myself. And I'm just going to dump this in slowly. Okay, my children, this is the outcome. Isn't this pretty? It looks like a burger patty. Where does loose onion come on from? I don't know. But while my hands clean, this is what it looks like. And the onion I clean. When you cut it, this is what the inside looks like. Remember the sweet pepper and the onion and stuff? Good stuff, good stuff. Healthy stuff. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It seems like it's going to be a rainy evening, so times like these, your girl does be craving junk food. Most definitely Chinese. If you all don't know by now, Chinese is my favorite comfort food. If not Chinese, KFC. I love fried chicken, but KFC is my favorite. So anyways, I'm gonna close off the video now, but before I go, let me remind you guys, make sure and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. What are you all waiting for, guys? Subscribe to my channel and make sure and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time your girl posts a video. Thank you all so much for all the love. Thank you all so much for all the support. Oh, it does make me blush. But anyways, guys, in closing, I would always like to let you all know, make sure and be safe. Stay safe. It is not an easy road out there. You guys protect yourselves, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.